this video will show us the release conditions as they're set up for a case where any number of patients and the data can be entered. So what this is a release condition, just allowing the user at the end of an entry to continue on entering or to finish their entry and then return to section 3 of the survey. So in other words, they come into section 2. If they have cases, this represents a case, so they enter that case. If they need to enter another one, they'll be able to enter it here. If it's no, it'll jump right back out to section 3. So here's how we create a release on that. So now that these are created, I'm just going to copy them. So if I just take this first one here and I copy it, I come down here and I paste it in. We're now looking at just relabeling this. So we want to have this as patient 3 now because we have 1 and 2 in there. So we just need to go into every question very carefully and make sure that the ID is cleaned up to represent the patient number. Some of the questions are generic, which is fine. So you can see obstetrics, we're going to change that to patient 3, and the question will make patient 3. And reasons for referral of patient 3, we'll get rid of that. Come here, go to patient 3. And this one as well, we want to make sure we rename for 3. Release condition 3. So now that we've done that, what we want to do is do a display condition. All right, that display condition, basically we click on this box. It's very easy. So the question preceding it that says yes or no, we want basically for that question to equal yes in order to display this one. So when we do that, we just hit save. And then it's pretty quick. We just take this little bit of code in this box and we copy that. And we need to paste it into all the other questions. So none of them will display if answered no, or they will all display if answered yes, that including the release question. We also want to make sure that we click required for all of these. I'm just going to quickly check that. I noticed that these aren't as required, but we're going to make sure that they have to be clicked on. Okay, so that's one set copied, and if we just continue on now, we can do another paste. Sorry. We can copy this. So I'm just holding the shift key, I'm selecting those questions, and here on my Mac it shows me how to copy. And I'll come down and I'll paste them again under here. So now we have, it's nice to minimize that month 1, 2. So again, we're working now on patient 4. So we want to change all the labels very carefully to make sure we're being consistent with both our IDs and our questions. So we have to check that for each one after we copy. Obstetrics patient 4, patient 4, reasons for patient 4. And our condition question should also be changed in the ID to patient 4. Okay, now that they're all done, one more time, we come in here and we do the display condition by simply taking the question preceding. Needs to be a yes to show all of those patient 4 questions. So we do save and we take that code. We paste in for every subsequent question. And save.